When you first get your EM-1, everything will come in two boxes. The large box will have the actual machine and a few of the parts. When you have everything out of the box, including all the packaging, have two people lift the machine out of the box and onto a flat surface. The best way to do this is by each holding on to one of the arbor arms. The second box will have the rest of the parts for all of the different setups and all the tools the machine comes with. You'll need both boxes unpacked to set it up, and it's easiest to do this if you have enough room to access both the front and the back of the machine. Start by loosening the 4 bolts that connect the machine to its base. There's a hex key with a red handle that's included that you can use for this. You want to leave all 4 bolts still on, but very loose. This will allow just enough space to slide the blue plexiglass bases in. The shorter plexiglass base slides under the right-hand arbor. The taller plexiglass goes on the left arbor, but first you'll want to unscrew the spoke nut so that the plexiglass can sit flat up against the side. Then replace the spoke nut to keep the cover in place. Now you can secure everything to the base again by retightening all 4 screws. Do this a little bit at a time, making sure everything stays put, rather than fully tightening each screw one by one. Go back to the right side and remove the spoke nut on this arbor arm. Add the removable plexiglass shield and then screw the spoke nut back on. The brass spray nozzles then sit in the slots on top and can slide back and forth. The third hose at the back can go through the hole in the base to connect to the water pump, which we explain further in a whole video on the filtration system setup. Next, you want to connect the light. It clicks into the corner hole up top, and then it will connect at the back. Find these little red connection points that are attached to the lamp and are attached to the back of the machine, and then connect them. Do not plug the machine in until these points have been connected. Then for the magnifying glass, it just screws into the other hole right next to the lamp. Then you can set up your filtration system and choose a setup to try out.